Gymnast School from Matapero.
We are the green team from 5th and 6th grade. We are concerned about our world.
We want to live in a clean planet.
Also, we worry about abuses on human rights.
Do you know what fast fashion is?
We didn't know, but we watched the full cost. It's a documentary film about the fast fashion world.
Did you know that some companies from rich countries are producing their products in poor countries?
They say that they give opportunities to these poor economies.
But they are obtaining the economic gains because they don't respect the workers' rights.
Usually don't take care of their workers' safety.
They don't respect environment by polluting the air, the soil, and the
Most
water.
people are working from these companies and lives in these countries have a healthy problem.
They are poisoned and they are very poor.
It means they cannot pay the medicines they need.
Some fashion companies produce continuously new fast fashion collections.
These products are very cheap.
Because they abuse on these poor countries that produce their clothes, shoes and accessories.
People buy a lot of these products because they are cheaper and cheaper.
Usually people buy too many clothes or shoes because the low price.
And we don't understand this injustice.
Now we know the truth, and we want to share this information with you.
We should require to these companies to respect her workers' rights.
And we have to demand for respect our environment.
Can you help us?
If we can help third-world workers.
Can we spread this information?
Will you do it for us?
Will you?
We trust in you! Thank you!
Have you ever valued all the things in your life? Have you ever stopped and thought about the consequences of so many material things all around? Have you ever thought about it? Material things, material feelings, oh, oh, oh. Give your life a deeper meaning. Material feelings, oh, oh, oh. Give your life a deeper meaning. A deeper meaning, a deeper meaning. From all those material things, a deeper meaning, a deeper meaning. Practice what you preach, live in a material world. Try not to be only a material girl. Look at all the people at the borders. Try Give your life a deeper meaning. Material feelings, oh, oh, oh. Give your life a deeper meaning. A deeper meaning, a deeper meaning. From all those material things. A deeper meaning, a deeper meaning. We all waste money on stuff. We only think material. We all waste money on stuff. We only think material. Material things, material feelings, oh, oh, oh. Give your life a deeper meaning. Material feelings, oh, oh, oh. Give your life a deeper meaning. A deeper meaning, a deeper meaning. From all those material things. A deeper meaning, a deeper meaning. Oh, material, material, material things. Material, material, material things. Material, material things. Material, material, material things.